So guys, today we're gonna put together this tent. I purchased it from a neighbor that acquired it somehow. He put it together one time with some help, make sure it was all there. The tarp's a little weathered, that's up there on the toolbox, but I think it'll create some shade for us for an upcoming project and get years of use out of it. Seems to be like a homemade kit. It's made out of EMT conduit, but no instructions, but seems like it's marked with some electrical tape. There's yellow and green, some got on both ends, some don't. There's different lengths, some have the feet left on it, so we know those are the posts. We're gonna figure it out and see if we can't put it together. Best we can tell, it's probably a 20 by 20 with post up the center. Let's put you on the tripod and see what we can figure out. Okay, we know these are feet that have these on here, so these are legs. We need to lay all the parts in categories. So some of these are shorter than others, and some have yellow. They may be the same length, but they have a marking on them, put them together, and then put them together by length as well. Just by eye. Yeah, lay right. Fellas, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I'm sure I'm not doing it right. Reach out to me in the comments below and tell me what's the easiest way to set up the frame for this tent. Well, we got the frame and the tent put together. Now we're gonna stake it down. What we have here, what the fella gave me with it, is these concrete form stakes right here. There's a hole in this foot, and it fits in there perfect. What we're gonna do is drive them about halfway in the ground and stick this leg over it. That way we won't have to worry about it kicking or moving around at the bottom. And we'll drive some other stakes out here and tie it with rope to keep the wind from lifting it. Well, we got the frame up. It's supposed to be 20 by 20. For some reason, 20 by 20 looks a little bigger, but that's what it is. We're gonna stretch the tarp up on there and make sure it fits and is in working order. That gives us good shade for a project we're trying to work on, but this is a very severe storm kind of week, so we're gonna put it up, make sure it works, and then take it back down for the night. Well guys, there we have it. Our used tent's up, and I think for what we got in it, it'll serve the purpose nicely. We got a project where we're doing a little online class, me and Eli, and it'll give us somewhere in the shade to work out of this heat. And then we'll use it for some in-person classes later, use it to serve the community in who knows how many ways. It'll be a great part of our mission, I think. When the tarp finally fails, we'll just put a new one on there and keep rolling. I like it. So guys, always look for deals out there. Check Craigslist if that's even still a thing, Facebook Marketplace or whatever. There just happened to be a neighbor that he found it somewhere and was reselling it, and it worked out good for both of us. Saved us some money and made him a little bit of pocket money. So it was a good deal all around. And who knows what this would have cost. It would have been probably close to $1,000 new. Thank you guys for watching today's video.
Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in their lives. Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior. Feel free to reach out to us at the email in the description below with any prayer requests or questions you may have. Thank you and God bless.